What's up, guys? B, aka Brennan here from Dronr Tech, and today we're gonna talk about the future. Well, my future, which hopefully affects you as our future, and I'm really excited about it. So let's just get into it. All right, guys, as you know, I have been pumping out content for years on drones and drone tech and all that kind of stuff, and I love it. I love you guys. I don't know if I've ever actually taken the time out to really tell you how much I appreciate your continued support. Like, there's a lot of you. I do actually look at the comments. Obviously, I jump in there every once in a while to be able to communicate and work with you, and I see who's there a lot. There's a lot of you guys that are always there, and I appreciate you. And I want to tell you guys today a little bit about the growth that is going on in my life that's going to affect, well, us in this space. We actually got a new office, and I wouldn't be Dronr if I didn't partner up with my boy Doc, aka Night Flyer, aka David Knight, in these streets to be able to do some FPV fly through the new space so I can introduce you guys to the new space. So without further ado, let's get to it. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we're coming into our bay door of our soundstage with an incredibly attractive man doing push-ups, a semi-attractive one riding a one wheel. But this soundstage is where we're going to be able to shoot. The idea is TV shows, movies. We're going to build it out to have a full lighting grid. As you can see, there already is electricity run up there, so we're pretty excited about that. Not cheap, but worth it. Oh, look at that form. This guy is doing real push-ups in these streets. Coming back through here, we actually have the green room. This is where we're going to be holding all the talent for all the shoots that we're doing, and it's going to be a really nice, plush, fun area to be. As you can see, we got plenty of parking out front and two entrances. This is our second entrance. This will be our lobby. That is a sprawling athletic man moving very quickly down the hallway. Oh yeah, get down there, brother. These two offices right here in front of us are actually the two offices. This one that we're passing on my left right now is my office. That'll be the new Dronr office. This is a conference room. With Dom literally posing because we were trying to beat Doc as he was flying around the building and be hilarious. This is our bullpen area. This is where our editors and producers are going to hang out. We're going to have a bunch of different desks and setups for that. Sexy man there. This is going to be our server room. As you can see, all the Cat 6A and Cat 6 wires running out of the wall there. Yeah, and so this is the bullpen area. And then we're going to finish it off by going into our smaller studio. This one will have a green cyc. If you don't know what that is one that has a curved wall that it makes it so that you can actually put somebody or some ones or a bunch of people into any space you want. Green screening. And the green cyc makes it so you can do full body. So I can put people anywhere that we want to, anytime we want to. As you can see, the two studios are connected. So we're gonna have to figure out a way to, we're figuring out a way to be able to separate the two. This is pretty much a blank palette for us, or a blank canvas, I would say, of what it is that was capable for us as a production team and as a production company. If you didn't know, we partnered with the amazing and incomparable Kev on Stage and Mrs. Kev on Stage, Melissa, and we have been able to form content with them that's gone so well that we partnered up to be able to work on an app called Kev on Stage Studios that you can actually download anywhere that you watch anything that's on Netflix. You can go on your Roku, your Amazon Fire Stick, on your TV, like anywhere you want to download an app, your phone, you can download our app and you can see the content we've made. We've already made a few different TV shows. The one I recommend is a comedian challenge show. You see your boy in the credits. Brennan Edwards is the name. If you didn't already know it, man, them push-ups look good. But yes, that is what was really going on right now. What I'm really excited to show you guys this and why this is relevant to you is because, as you will see in a minute, we're going to be getting to my office. That is going to be obviously my office, but a big design portion of my office is that I wanted to be able to shoot Dronr more consistently. I didn't want to have to do this setup the way that I've done this setup here in my studio. That's modular, but it takes a lot of time. That's it right there again on the left. And it's gonna be really easy. So every time something comes up, I'm just gonna be able to drop a camera, be able to film it, and be able to give you guys more consistent content about things that you care about, because I know that I care about drones and all that, but right now it's been a heavy lift for me to be able to shoot any content because I'm dedicated to the quality for you. So I'm hoping to find the best of both worlds in the new space. I hope you guys like the new space. If you want to support us with this new space, then you could just download the app, Kev on Stage Studios. It is a subscription model, just like Netflix, but significantly cheaper. Or you can watch the Keep Your Distance comedy show, which you can actually go on kevonstage.com, and you can get tickets there. It's pretty cool. Extremely hilarious comedy. It is not for kids, just to let you guys know. But it's only like 10 or 12 bucks for a ticket. We do one every 2 weeks. Fully worth it, fully hilarious, and you'll see the kind of production quality of the things that I do when I'm not just doing this channel and doing Dronr. So I love it. I hope you guys love it. I hope you guys enjoyed this incredible FPV fly-through brought to you by David Knight, a.k.a. Night Flyer, a.k.a. Doc, the homie. And yeah, as you were. All right, Dronrs, I hope you enjoyed that walkthrough of the new space. That is our new space, and it's gonna be pretty cool. Now, you guys know I've been giving you guys weekly content for quite some time now. It might get a little intermittent for a while because we are building that space and it is requiring a lot of me and my team. But after we get up and running, I promise you it's gonna be a lot more content that you guys wanna see. Like I said, David Knight is gonna be helping me with the FPV stuff because my man flew this and he flies a lot and he's gonna be teaching me a lot because I fly FPV now. And it's pretty dope. So we're gonna be giving you guys all the stuff, all the things, all the feels. Like I said before, if you wanna support what we're doing, Kev on Stage Studios is the name of the app, or kevonstage.com is where you can buy Keep Your Distance or any kind of stuff you wanna support us. Thank you guys for all you guys have been doing. Literally wouldn't be here without you. And I can't wait to see what the future looks like. And if there's anything you guys wanna see us do or anything that you're looking forward to, in the sense of like, can you talk about this with FPV? Because we know DJI is dropping some FPV stuff. But either way, if anything you want to see, put it in the comments below. I promise you I will be looking at that and helping to formulate the new content, well, for you. So enjoy yourself, stay safe, and as always, stay fly.